Wind advisory for the following counties in Florida: coastal Volusia, inland northern Brevard, inland southern Brevard, inland Volusia, mainland northern Brevard, mainland southern Brevard, northern Brevard barrier islands, northern Lake-Orange-Osceola, Seminole, southern Brevard barrier islands and southern lake. Wind advisory in effect from noon today to 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. What? West to northwest winds 20 to 25 miles per hour with gusts 30 to 35 miles per hour expected. Where? Volusia, Lake, Orange, Seminole, Brevard, Osceola, and Indian River counties. When? From noon today to 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. Impacts: gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects. The current time is 8:59 a.m. East Time.
Whoa!
This hazardous weather outlook is for East Central. Day 1, today and tonight. High wind impact. Sustained west to northwest winds will increase to around 20 miles per hour.
Okay, let's go bird. And also, those are the new forecast zones. Dope.